So I dig deep for y'all, man. I dig deep. I'm always trying to bring you Ninja Turtle content, bro. Always, you feel me? That ain't no doubt about it. I found this Ninja Turtle content. I think it's a diss track. I don't know if it's this girl here, it's a somebody. But if y'all ain't heard it already, bro, that's why I'm here, you feel me? We always need to report what the Ninja Turtles are doing. I've never been so interested in Ninja Turtles in my life, but now I got time. So I want y'all to like, share, subscribe, man. Let's hear what he got, bro.
It's basically talking about how they have money and how they're not broke and everyone wants to live up to these lifestyles, but everyone's making GoFundMes.
Exactly. Because I feel like you could be a tad bit disrespectful.
Okay. Hard.
Pop the balloon. Hell no, we ain't cool. Or let him be. Really try to diss the dude. Whole world mad at me. I ain't finna lose. I'm a gangster and a plumber, so you know I keep two. Hell no, we ain't cool. Or let him be. Really try to diss the dude.
A lot of BM. That's the show. Create the show, right?
World mad at me. I ain't finna lose. I'm a gangster and a plumber, so you know I keep two. Show full of simps. Show full of EBT queens.
EBT queens. What does that mean, guys?
I'm the judge, shit, I let her eat for free. Show full of broke women.
Ooh, good, wind it back. Now they ain't gonna like that. The women ain't gonna like that.
I'm the judge, shit, I let her eat for free. Show full of broke women. Gold digger, high expectations for the kids. Cold thing is, they ain't even your children. I cracked little baby gang. Episode 13, how to go crazy, how to squirt team. Episode 11, baby dressed up in that church theme. Episode 11, baby dressed up in that church theme. That's the worst thing. Y'all supposed to be Christian, why I can't be forgiven? Cause I ain't.
Nigga is wearing a Ninja Turtle shirt.
Episode 11, baby dressed up in that church theme. Episode 11, baby dressed up in that church theme. Nah, that's the worst thing. Y'all supposed to be
Nigga
Christian, why I can't be forgiven? Cause I ain't did a little pimpin', why I can't be forgiven? Like I'm the only one sinning when my homie died. Nobody by my side. I'm the only one spinning, I'm the only one that got bangers. Now she talking about she got my son. Should be talking to the doctors about the HSV1. I'm the one put the show on the map.
That's that.
Like
HSV won't be that herpes, I think. Stay away from that, gang. Everyone's please stay away from that.
I'll blow on your ass, I ain't a gangster. Yeah, okay. My ex keep talking loud, shit, I'm finna pull a OJ. Chase Chandler. Arizona, when he see me for shoulder, he don't wanna. When he see me for shoulder, he don't wanna. Fuck the balloon, hell no, we ain't cool. Or let him be, really try to diss the dude. Whole world mad at me, I ain't finna lose. I'm a gangster and a plumber, so you know I keep two. Fuck the balloon, hell no, we ain't cool. Or let him be, really try to diss the dude. Whole world mad at me, I ain't finna lose. I'm a gangster and a plumber, so you know I keep two. Albert Preach, MTR O'Shea Jackson. Anytime you want it for sure, let him get active. Get that building, one that brick, we done burnt that bitch down. Stop playing with my name, I'm getting sick of you clowns. Trying to stay above water, they'd rather see me drown.
I'll be real with you, y'all niggas. This song is terrible. But because it's Ninja Turtle, like Ninja Turtle's rapping, bro, that's impressive. But yeah, I ain't fucking with this one little bit, gang. This song is, man, it's terrible.
Zeus,
Let's
just
be
look
real.
at me now. Inspiration. For you bitch niggas hating, I don't listen to OVO, but for sure we gon' drink it. Sitting patient with a K die. I'm a top
That was kind of just out there.
I got abs and soul, but I'm not abs soul. Pop a balloon to find love or settle for.
They do you like that? What's wrong with them?
Something. Only God knows.
Or is there something wrong with you?
Possibly.
That's not wrong with you.
But I think
that
I'm
was
just
that
fine.
was that. The dinner was great.
After
Ooh.
10 plus dates, plus an overseas trip to Greece, he still had to beg her to get a hug. Oh.
Yeah, fucked up. Ninja Turtle. Ah!
Great.
Yeah, good show. That was hard. You guys cut at the end. I'm gonna like that, man. Please, if you haven't seen it already, check out the Arrow diss track, bro. You know I bring posts on my channel, man. That shit funny as hell. We gonna keep posting Ninja Turtle content for y'all. You know what to do. Stay tuned, gang. Yay.